Malawi Today.
Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, some people can ask us, why is UTM doing this? Yeah. Because they lost. Why are they saying this? We didn't lose. We won. Yes. Because we were fighting a common battle of taking our neighbors out of government for poor people. So, Mr. Speaker, sir, Mr. Speaker, sir, Mr. Speaker, sir, we had a common enemy. And we together, if you followed my speeches during the, you knew what I was saying. And together, all of us, we managed to put Malawi on the right track. Mr. Speaker, sir, Mr. Speaker, sir,
Point of order. Point of order.
Honour members.
Point of order.
Honour members. Order, honour members. Order. Order, honour members. The honourable member from Zimba North, please resume your seat first. Please, can you please resume your seat so I can guide the House?
Okay.
Switch off your microphone.
Thank you.
Honour members, you cannot rise and switch on your microphone before I give you the floor. You cannot. I've repeatedly said the honourable member holding the floor is delivering a maiden speech. And it's only Friday. We've only been here 5 days, no 3 days. We shouldn't be so tired. I think as a woman, speaking from Zimba North, the chair here is enjoying her debate. Honourable member from Zimba North, honourable member from Zimba North, please continue debating. Thank you.
Honourable First Deputy Speaker, sir, I was interrupted, but I still keep my stand. Yes. That I fully, together with people of Zimba North, support this document. The wisdom inside this document. And I believe this is the right roadmap for Malawi. Having said that, Mr. Speaker, sir, I will not do myself justice if I do not concur with my fellow members in UTM when they talked about if I do not touch the Chikangawa issue. Of all the people that are touched, I'm one of them. Yes, we want the commission of inquiry. Yes, we want it resumed. Yes, we want it refreshed. Why? Because we were not convinced with the report that we got. We still have questions, Mr. Speaker, sir.
Black box.
There are so many questions that need answers. I was there that morning at the airport waiting for Dr. Saulos Kraus Chilima. I waited for hours to no avail. I was there when they said the plane was missing. I was there when we were told that it's been seen or it has been crashed in Chikangawa near a tower. I was there, honorable members. I was there when the search was commissioned. I was following behind the army cars and the police car that went for searching. I was there. We were using our phones to check on the roads. Where do you check Ndege on the street? Where on earth? I was there, Mr. Speaker, sir. I was there when the search was called off at 8 p.m. I was there. Yet we are told the search was not called off. I was there driving back to Mzuzu behind an army car. I was there. If there is a fresh inquiry, I'm one of those people that they must start with. And I was there in Nkalango Yokwitima, Mr. Speaker, sir. I was there. And what made me so depressed, frustrated, because was that fact that when the plane went missing, most of our neighbors, ministers were there in Katabe. None of them came to the search that day. None of them showed up that day. None of them showed any sympathy. First Deputy Speaker, sir. First Deputy Speaker, sir. I'm speaking from a point of pain. Pain because he was a mentor. Pain because he was our leader. Pain because he was the Vice President of the Republic of Malawi. Pain because I'm here standing today being called a doctor because of him. Thank you very much. God bless.
Thank you very much, Honour Member.
Point of order.
Honour Member.
Point of order.
Thank you very much. I'll recognize 2 points of orders.
Point of order. Point of order.
The Honourable Lady.
Point of order. First Deputy Speaker.
You've already spoken on a point of order. I'll recognize your neighbor.
Point of order.
I'll recognize your neighbor on a point of order. Chinji. What constituency? Chinji?
Chinji North.
Chinji North on a point of order. Then the Honourable Member, what's your constituency?
Chilima North.
Chilima North for point of order.
Yes.
Okay, so we have 2 points of orders this side. Yeah, we have 2 points of orders this side, and then I'll come for contribution.
Thank you. Thank you, First Deputy Speaker. I rise on a point of order. First Deputy Speaker, as a lady and as a chair of women, Parliamentary Women Caucus, last parliament,
Order, Honour members. Order, Honour members.
Sorry, I cannot paint.
Order. Order to my right.
Speaker,
Order to my right.
I would like to commend all women in this chamber, and she is one of them. I was talking to her, woman to woman, telling her to address the chair. The main reason why I was telling her is because once we are facing our honorable members, we usually lose focus. Then I was telling her to focus, to face the chair so that she maintains what she was talking. And now, what happened that my colleagues thought that I'm working against her. But Honorable Speaker, I am not such a person that works against my fellow woman. All what I do is to advocate that women must stand in this chamber and speak their minds. And that's exactly what she did. So that's what
Order. Thank you very much.
So women have to be free in this chamber and talk our minds.
Thank you very much.
Thank Thank you so much.
You've made it very clear, Honorable. Your point is noted. Honourable member at the back for a point of order. You have 1 minute, Honourable member.
Mr. Deputy Speaker, Mr. First Deputy Speaker, thank you for recognizing people of Chilima North to rise.
Mchinji North, order. Order, Mchinji North.
Thank you for recognizing the people of Chilima North to rise on a point of order. Mr. Speaker, sir, myself growing up as an orphan, raised by a single mother.
Is this a contribution, Honourable member?
Just a point of order from what she was communicating.
Let me address you.
Mr. Speaker, sir.
Let me, Honourable members, order. Order to my right. Order to my right. Honourable member, please resume your seat first. Switch off your microphone. Let me address the House. Honourable members, let's resume our seats. Honourable members, let's resume our seats. Order. Honourable members, a point of order is supposed to be 1 minute, and it should start with a question that says, is it in order? And then you explain what you want to explain.
I'll make
Please
it clear.
start with that. Thank you very much.
Can I make it clear now? All right. Mr. Deputy Speaker, is it clear? Is it in order? Keep quiet. Is it in order? Is it in order that after...
Honourable members, to my right, order.
Mr. Deputy Speaker.
Honourable members, to my right, order.
Thank you very much. Mr. Deputy, First Deputy Speaker, is it in order that after all people have said, have cried about the plane crash, proposals have been made about the plane crash, and all that happens during that event, that we need a fresh investigation? Is it in order that we should continue talking about the same thing? I'm saying this, Mr. First Deputy Speaker, I'm saying this because the case we are talking about, the person we are talking about had children and the wife who are continuing to be reminded about the loss. Is it not proper that we...
Thank you very much, Honourable Member. You've made your point. You've made your point. Honourable members. Honourable members. Every honourable member...
This is traumatizing.
You've made your point, Honourable Member. Please resume your seat. I will not recognize anyone on a point of order, but I would like to rule. I want to make a ruling on your submission. Honourable Member, we are on a debate on the presidential address. The content of the address by the honourable member is strictly to themselves. But when you say the honourable members should not rise again and comment on a subject matter that they have already put in their address, honourable member, that will be gagging Parliament. Yes. The Honourable Minister of Justice has made a commitment, and honourable members have their own speeches to deliver. If part of their speech contains the issues that happened in this country, let's allow them to air their views and add to the House. It will be to the Minister of Justice and indeed to this House to close that matter. And when that matter is closed, honourable member, we will all receive closure. For now, let's allow honourable members to debate. Thank you very much. I recognize the honourable member Karonga, the president of is that not UDF, PNDP. You have the floor. And the honorable member, I'm being advised we don't have much time. After that, we'll see how much time is still remaining. I'll recognize Lilongwe Muloza, but for now, I will not take any point of orders.
Thank you, First Deputy Speaker, for according me this opportunity to represent the people of Mzimba North. I was preparing maybe to speak next week, but the pressure from my constituency was too much. They were asking me, why are you not speaking? Is it because you lost as the first deputy speaker? So I wanted to show them that I'm okay, and I stand here to congratulate you for giving me a hard run. Congratulations for winning. Also, let me congratulate Honorable Jorobada for winning as second deputy speaker. It wasn't easy. Congratulations. First of all, I would like to thank the people of Mzimba North, especially TA Jaravikua and TA Mutwaro and their chiefs in Mzimba for supporting me, for believing in a woman yet again, because history has it that in 2014-2019, they voted for a woman, Honorable Agnes Nyalonje, and now they've also voted for me, a symbol that they believe that women can. Also, I would not do myself justice if I do not thank one important person in my life, my husband, Paul. I stand here today proud and happy because of his support, morally and financially. Wherever you are, Paul, I say thank you and I love you more. Mzimba North is a constituency that for the past 10 years has had challenges. We have so many challenges in Mzimba North. First challenge that we have now is food shortage. Mzimba North is one of the districts or one of the constituencies in Malawi that was heavily hit by a hard spell. It's unfortunate that maybe it's not on the list of those that are going to benefit on those districts, 11 districts that were identified. But Mr. First Deputy Speaker, please take note that also people of Mzimba North, they need help. If there is maize that has been purchased, please take note that areas like Vongo, Katea, Kawanda, Chisombe, Jombo, they are in dire need of food. The second problem that Mzimba North has is water. Most of my people are drinking from wells. Some are drinking from Casito River, some from Runina. For those that know these rivers, you know it's not safe water. I stand here today to speak on their behalf. Mzimba North also has problems of better roads. In particular, Ekwendeni, via Ngutwini, Turumpi, via Kamwe. If this road, First Deputy Speaker, in your budget, Minister of Transport, please take note of this road. It's very important as it opens access to opportunities for the people of Mzimba North. There are so many problems I can keep on citing, but reading this SONA gives hope. This SONA, if everything that has been written here is implemented, then Malawi will rise again. If everything in this SONA is implemented, then poverty is history in Malawi. I would want to commend His Excellency Professor Peter Mutharika for being so brave, courageous, even to put these strategies or these policies in place. I'm not, because people out there are saying, oh, UTM is only supporting DPP. We are not here just to oppose for the sake of opposing. We are not in opposition just to oppose, but we are in opposition to provide. Go ahead.
Order, honour members. Order.
Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir.
Order, honourable members.
Mr.
Allow
Deputy
the honourable
Speaker,
member
sir,
to be heard in silence. Allow the honourable member.
I was making a point.
She's delivering a maiden speech, so let's not interfere. Thank you.
Mr. Deputy Speaker, I know my neighbors cannot support what I'm saying here. Point of order. Point of order. Point of order. Point of order.
Point of order.
Switch off your microphone.
Point of order.
Point of
Honourable
order.
member, please switch off your microphone.
Point of order.
The honourable order in the house.
Mr. Deputy
Honourable
Speaker,
member,
sir,
the honourable member from Zimba North is holding a maiden speech, and according to our own rules, she cannot be disturbed. So you will come at the end of her presentation. Thank you very much.
Thank you, First Deputy Speaker. I would want to repeat what I was saying, that we are not in opposition that's to oppose for the sake of opposing. We are in opposition to provide guidance to the ruling party, to provide concrete and constructive arguments. If I have to evaluate this, I would say this is what Malawi needs. I have so much hope in Professor Peter Mutharika. Why am I saying this? He has already demonstrated that he's a man of his words. He promised to give us second vice president, and he did. But also, I stand here as an economist. I have analyzed the economy of Malawi since 1994 to date. The only time that Malawi registered a single-digit inflation was during the DPP-led government. Mr. First Deputy Speaker, sir, thank you. Mr. First Deputy Speaker, sir, we all are aware that that's the more reason Malawi voted DPP again. Because my neighbors from my right failed miserably for the past 5 years.